Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and doing well. Trust is the most important thing. So let's hear an incident on that. There were two best friends. Both were unemployed. They were seeking employment. One of them acquired a job in the company, but the other one was still seeking. So the unemployed one requested his employed friend to ask his boss to offer him a job in that company. His friend was a benevolent person, so he could not resist his request. So the next day, he went to his boss and beseeched him to offer his friend a job in that company. After so much of request, finally the boss agreed to offer him job in that company. We all know that time change, people change, and priorities change too. Gradually, the other friend who didn't have a job started becoming close to his boss and started ignoring his own friend. Day by day, he also started bossing over his friend and underhandly speak bad about his friend to his boss. Finally, the boss removed his friend out of the job. The person who had pleaded so much with his boss to offer his friend a job was thrown out by his own friend. Trust is the most expensive thing in the world. Only few people can afford it. When our close ones break our trust, it is more than a heartbreak. Maybe today's generation have lost the value of trust because nobody keeps it. You trust somebody quickly, they break it more quickly. So the most important thing in life is never trust people in a short span of time and never break someone's trust. Thank you.